Breakthrough in automatic motorbike washing technology in Vietnam. The Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine represents a breakthrough in washing technology in Vietnam. With its automated system, customers' motorbikes are smoothly moved from the entrance to the exit without any human intervention. Additionally, high-pressure nozzles and brushes operate continuously, ensuring thorough cleaning in the shortest time possible. This advanced technology solution brings professionalism and modernity to washing shops across the country. If you're interested in our automatic motorbike washing machine and need further consultation, please leave a comment below the video or contact Go&Go for support. Goodbye and see you in our next videos.